Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.